Te. Maglaksi, te.
Yawa ka. Kami naman.
Ay.
Pumapasok po ang dalawang taga-RTR.
RTR. Bisa si Doggy. Si Doggy kumakaway.
Naulbot dila, naulbot dila. Naulbot dila. Pumasok na po sila. Wala tayong magagawa. Papasok na rin po ako. Ito po ang bahay namin. This is our house. Let's get inside, Mr. Raymond. This is our house. Please get inside. This is our quarto. Our quarto. Manny is sleeping. This is our radio cassette. I walk going to our kitchen. Raymond is inano yung pagkain. Uncle is looking at the lavabo. I look at inside of the quarto. Master room. Stop na.